Hi, Tom here. Welcome to this week's Circle Line Art School Drawing Challenge. How to draw a house in a landscape using some simple two-point perspective. The first step is to draw a horizontal line across the middle of your page. Next, draw two vanishing points, one on the right and the other on the left of the middle of the page. The two vanishing points are where all receding lines of the little house will go towards. Now draw a line from the left and a line from the right vanishing points that needs to meet below the horizon line for the base of the house. And now where they meet, we can draw a vertical line and then another vertical line on the left and the right. Next, draw a receding line to the right vanishing point, and then another receding line to the left vanishing point. And now we have the two walls of the house. Next, we can draw another receding line above this for the top of the roof, and then we can draw the angle of the pitch of the roof on the left and the right. Next, because I'm going to make this house into a cottage, it will have a thatched roof, so the edges of the roof will be slightly curved. And then again at the side of the roof we can give that a thickness 2 using curved lines. The lower line of the roof, which also goes to the right vanishing point because it's receding to the right, we can make a little curve in the lower line of the roof to fit a window. Next we can add the door and some small windows for this small cottage. The top of the door is going to recede to the right because it's on the right hand side of the house, and also the top and bottom of all of the windows are going to recede to the right vanishing point because they're also on the right side of the house. But the verticals will stay vertical. We can make a little porch for the door as well. And the roof of the porch is receding to the left, so we'll use the left vanishing point. The house is quite small away from us, so we don't need too much details, but I think I'll just put a line along the right and left hand side of the base of the house using the right and left vanishing points. For the chimney at the top, the right hand side is receding to the right, so we use the right vanishing point, and the top of the left is receding to the left, so we use the left vanishing point. Because in two-point perspective, we're basically looking left and right. So perspective is one way to draw. It's an approximation of what things look like. Once you've got a house that works, we don't need the guidelines proceeding all the way to the vanishing points, and now we have a cottage in two-point perspective. If you'd like to see a full narrated version of this drawing, please consider joining my How to Draw from Scratch online drawing course. Just visit circlelineartschool.com. If you'd like to see a full narrated version of this drawing, please consider joining my How to Draw from Scratch online drawing course. Just visit circlelandartschool.com.